In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this musgrave texture node-based mesh. This is how the scene looks like. I have two spheres, and a background plane. The outer sphere has an emission shader, and the inner sphere is a musgrave texture node. The idea is using the smaller sphere to penetrate through the bigger sphere by using a texture node. For the sphere with musgrave texture, please remember to activate the displacement only setting under Material Settings. If we don't activate the displacement only setting under Materials, this won't work. Let's take a look at the material details. The smaller sphere with the musgrave node is using a golden metallic material. This is the background plane's material. Please use cycles with sky texture. There are two optional nodes for this setup. One is bevel and the other is normal. Bevel won't do much, and the normal node will make the faces to extrude upward. Let's see what each node does. Here are my composite node settings. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.